Yo, hey, what's good with y'all boys, man? It's your boy BTO Lou, back here with another video. And really, this video is just another yap video. So this is part 2 of me just yapping on, just whatever topic that I have in mind or whatever topic y'all be bringing up and any questions that y'all really have for me. So in today's video, I'm really finna just be talking about mistakes that I have avoided in the early stages of my trading career that has helped me get into this position that I am in now, where I'm building profitability from only trading from a year and a half. Honestly, I started back a year and a half ago. Dirt broke. I had no idea what I was doing, and now I'm in a better position for myself, and it really helps me. It really helps me see a broad stage of everything I've just gone through in past several months. So I appreciate y'all for clicking on this video. If you want this video to find some form of like entertainment or like some type of jolly energy, I'm gonna keep it a buck with you. You're not gonna find that here. I'm just gonna keep it real. All right. So for the first key point that I have in this topic of mistakes that I've avoided early on in my trading career is not switching up my strategy. So when you're scrambling around on YouTube and you're on Instagram, you're going to see multiple type of traders using different types of strategies, from trend lines to supply and demand to support and resistance to liquidity grabs to how other people interpret the charts. And when you're in these types of environments and you're in these zones scrambling around, you're really just interpreting a lot of other people's mindsets into you, and that you can take what you learn from it. So I say this with the end goal of when you get into the charts, everybody has their own different strategies. Everybody has their own different strategies. I have my own strategies. From my homie BTO Prince, make sure y'all subscribe to his channel. He posts up a lot of game and shows his charts and everything. But in the sense, like me and him have completely different strategies, and we both see the charts differently. But at the end of the day, we're still trading what works for us. So when I say my strategy is something that definitely helped me avoid like multiple mistakes, it's because I stuck to my strategy and I never changed it. I never changed my strategy once. I tweak it. I definitely improve on it. I'll definitely add something to my trading plan of, okay, if I see this in the market, I'm going to go ahead. I know how to react to it, and I know what to do after I see this certain type of setup or I see this type of rejection. I know what to do because I added that into my trading plan. So when you're making your trading plan and you're making your strategies, whenever you get into these charts, understand that you and your strategy might only work for you, and that might just be the end all. It might only work for you, but what strategy works for them might not work for you either. So just understand that sticking to your strategy, staying grounded, and not allowing yourself to take everything that you see online and try to do it yourself. Do it. The best way to learn in this game is literally doing it yourself. You're never gonna get better at trading watching other people trade and watching other people make money in the charts, because all you're gonna see is how their discipline is and how they react on certain things, on what they see in the market. Yes, you can take that part and apply it to your trades, but you're not gaining any actual experience. Because when you actually click on the charts, that's when you actually gain the experience. So I said that's my first thing about actually avoiding taking everybody's information and everybody else's strategies and trying to apply it to mine, instead of tweaking my strategy so it's perfected for me. So that's my first thing. My second thing I want to actually talk about, which is I actually brought up in the last video, is my discipline. So early on, y'all don't know, because y'all don't know me for real. You only see me when I post. Is that early on, I used to play sports. I used to play sports, and when you play sports, you get a different level of appreciation for the discipline and the appreciation for grinding, like appreciation for getting better every single day. So I say this because not everybody is gonna get on that line and run, 16 times up and down the field. Not everybody's gonna do that, but the people that has discipline and understand that, okay, this isn't the end all. They can see past. They can see past the struggles. They can see past the pain of what they're doing. So my discipline, I feel like I gained that skill early on, which I really appreciate my coaches and my partners for keeping me grounded on staying accountable and staying disciplined. So this definitely helped me avoid mistakes of revenge trading and upping my lot size and being greedy. Doing certain things like that can ultimately high risk or high reward and give you more chances to lose money or gain high months, but in this sense, lose lots of money. Definitely keeps you humble. Definitely keeps you disciplined, and that keeps you in reality. But understanding that this isn't the end all game. This isn't the end all game. You have to stay disciplined because this is just the beginning stage of your trading career. When you're starting out, you might not even be able to understand what you're doing. The first time you ever looked at a chart, I'm sure that you looked at it and was in the mindset of, what am I looking at? What is all these lines? What do all these numbers mean on TraderView? How do people do this? And when you're disciplined enough to, okay, let me actually take time out my day to learn what this is. Let me actually take time out my day to understand what I'm looking at and how I can make this work for me. So staying disciplined in that sense is already going to separate you from the majority. Because majority of people look at these charts, and then as soon as they look at it, they like, I'm not finna learn this. I don't know what this is. I'm finna go do something else that I want to go do. Let me go watch a Kai Cenat video. Let me go watch some Flight Reacts videos. But you taking this first step into learning how to trade separates you in such a big scale that you won't even understand it right now in the beginning stage. So staying disciplined in that definitely helps in the long run. And not allowing anything else to distract you, which is, I could actually say this is my third topic, distractions. Not allowing anything to distract you and knock you off your path of learning, knocking off your path to profitability. Every trader is on a path to profitability in these charts. And once you get on that path and you're on that highway to profitability, as soon as you get on there, it's cruise sailing the rest of the way. Because trading never changes. Trading is the exact same throughout all the years. And only thing that changes is that line in that chart is where it's at. These strategies, my strategy personally is going to work regardless of what chart I get on. Everything that I see on whatever this coin or index that I'm trading is going to be the exact same on whatever other coin or index like I'm trading. Avoiding distractions definitely is going to help you in the long run. It's going to keep you grounded. It's going to keep you on your path. It's going to allow you to focus on what you have to get done and not have to apply by anybody else's standards. Not allowing yourself to keep yourself in a small circle, in a small bubble, knowing that you know in your mind that I want to get somewhere else. I want to get farther in life. I know that if I stay in this chart, or if I stay learning and bettering myself and investing in myself, that I'm gonna be better. And avoiding those distractions of outside noise of people showing, oh, I just got rich doing this, or oh, I just invested in this crypto. Hey, you should invest in this crypto too. But you have to literally block out those noises and stay so tunnel vision on what you have that you damn near gonna look insane. You gonna look crazy, but you damn near, you gonna look crazy. You gonna look insane. People might even say you crazy, but as long as you know your vision and you know that you know what reality that you want to shape for yourself, the sky's the limit. The sky is dead as the limit. And I could be a testimony for that, because I never thought about all of this that I have right now in my life. Like, and me blocking out all the distractions and staying disciplined, the second topic, having my strategy, it keeps me accountable for myself, because only person that can control you is you. No one can force you to do anything. Mind likes to distract itself on a psychological point. The mind loves to distract itself. Why you think TikTok? Why you think Instagram? Why you think YouTube? Why you think Snapchat are the top apps in the App Store? The top app isn't a fucking calculator, even though that's more useful than any of that, or more useful than Instagram in like a real life stance. It's like, understand that your mind wants you to be distracted, and if you distract yourself with the wrong type of information, and you distract yourself with the wrong type of people, missing valuable time throughout the day because you're distracted doing something else, knowing that it's only on you to break that habit and block out all your distractions. The last thing I really wanted to talk about that really helped me avoid early on mistakes in my career is building a routine. So early on in my career, I had no type of routine. I really would just get on the charts, click on a couple buttons, put in 4 or 5 trades, and then just get out and don't back test, don't do nothing, just gaining and losing money dry and not having an actual routine to this. So building the routine came months after this, when I had a realization of this can deadass be a job. And at your job, you're not just going to put the minimum effort just so you don't get fired. If you really want to excel in anything in life, you have to put 110% into it. So allowing yourself to trade, look at the charts, making time to go back test and redo those charts and understand that, and write down what you was feeling while you was placing entries, building your own strategy and writing down your strategies and rules that you have to apply by yourself, so you can stay accountable and avoid those type of mistakes again. So me building my routine, my personal routine, as now that I'm becoming more profitable, is okay. I wake up, I trade. After I trade, I go to class. After class, I go eat, hit the gym, and then after that, I just go back to the crib, or I'm on my phone, back testing, looking at the charts, the trade that I took earlier that morning, and then later on, I'm already gonna be marking liquidity zones and fair value gaps that's in the market previously. That's gonna be open whenever market New York session opens in the morning tomorrow. I already have those charts and gaps marked up. So if I see any type of resistance, pulls, rejections, or pullbacks on those type of zones, I already have it marked up because I took the time from the previous day to help myself in the future. So me building that routine of staying consistent and making trading a part of my lifestyle, it definitely helped me avoid blowing more accounts. It helped me see better things in the market that I didn't see previously before. Because if you look at something in the market and you're not understanding it, the only reason you don't understand it is because you don't have any knowledge on it. If you build a knowledge on it, now you recognize it, and now you can be able to read it and understand it. It really is just how much effort, how bad do you really want it? How bad do you really want to get out your situation? Because this industry can change your life. This industry can deadass change your life in a year. If you dedicate a whole year into something to better yourself, the sky's the limit, and you will see drastic change in your life. Yeah, those are really my 4 key points on mistakes that I avoided early on in my trading career that has helped me build profitability only after a year and a half of trading. And if you enjoy these yap videos of me just on the camera, spitting, just talking, make sure y'all put a comment in the description and let me know, because you can put it for the next topic video, and I'll definitely chop it up, make a new video on that topic and give y'all my thoughts on it. as well. But in the meantime, I appreciate y'all for tuning into this video. Make sure y'all like and subscribe. Make sure y'all hit that bell notification so y'all get notified whenever I post. And yeah, y'all stay blessed and beat the odds.